Jalupo gai mar doho Philomena Mwilu otelo ne jong'ad bura kaachiel gi jotelo mamoko e iko mar jang'ad bura Justice Ochieng e dalane mantiere Menara e kar chung' od bura ma Muhoroni e kaunti ma Kisumu. Seneta ma Kisumu Tom Ojenda bendo yore ikono. Wadhi achiel kachiel nyaka Muhoroni mondo wane kaka chieno no dhi nyime.
My friend, my husband, and my fellow pilgrim of hope. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Dr. Angela and the family, and our condolences. Ladies and gentlemen, at this juncture, just allow me to make these last recognitions, then we hand over the microphone to the church for the Mass. I had recognized the presence of the Governor, Professor Anyang' Nyong'o. I had recognized the presence of the Senator, Professor Tom Ojenda. We are also honored to be in our midst the area MP for Muhoroni, Honorable James Onyango Koyo. Karibu sana Mheshimiwa. In our midst, we also have the MP Madare, Honorable Anthony Oluoch. Thank you very much. Karibu Mheshimiwa. And last, we have the Honorable MP for Game, Honorable Elisha Odiambo. Asanteni sana, and may God bless
you. In my possession here, lost and found car keys. Please, if you've misplaced your car keys, come and check with us. Thank you. Choir, as we wait for the church service, kindly warm our hearts. And thank you very much.